Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series we do every Wednesday. Me just rambling and crap. What's happened done for the past week. We might read some comments as well. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share, and leave down comments as well. Um, right now, we're almost done with the Leviathan set. We have the last one for the Leviathan set. Then we'll be working with Dungeons and Dragons, Prince. No, my stuff, Ashley. I don't know if you can hear it back there. Because I have a one shot by the end of the month because my dad's coming to visit from California here. So this is the last one for the Leviathan. We're doing the Dreadnought. Then I think the last box opening I did for the Warhammer was the War of the Soul Forge. So we'll be doing that too. When that's all done, and I'm gonna do these loose boxes. I'm gonna start working on the orc. So I'm gonna have you guys decide on what you want me to do for that as well. Let's get through the comments. It's been a while we didn't do the comments as well. Let's see here. Ones of that. Let's see here. This is from the Thunder Chod normal painting for Tyrant Raptor 9957. Looks fantastic. The Hack Coven. Where did you get the first miniature from? Beastarium. A lot of times you can find these miniatures and stuff that I work on the STL Patreon files videos. I do go through a whole bunch of them. I think like 40 or 50 of them, just to let you guys know. They're like between 1 till $10. Some of them are 20. Those are usually the anime or video game figures that you really want. Right 9110 says, "I'm your biggest fan." I hardly doubt you're my, you're my biggest fan. I hardly doubt it. I have nothing to be idolized or goggled by. I am one of those normal person. No, I'm not taking the compliment. I'm a fat, bald, half white, half Korean man. This was Markiplier is going to turn into when he starts hitting depression. He'll get fat like me. Um, ASR4X552 says, "Nice. The amount of the time must have taken is crazy." Actually, not really. For the Hierophant so far. If you look at the normal video thing, that's how much I took. A lot of these videos are between 1 hour to 2 3 hours in total. A lot of times, is reason why it takes a while to get these videos out is that I gotta let paint dry, and speed paint takes about a 2 hour period to cure. And speed paint already does the shadowing and everything else that you really want for it to be undone. The acrylic will take 5 to 6 minutes, depending on how much water I added, extra water added to the acrylics. That's the problem. That's the thing. But a lot of times, if you look at normal paint videos, that's how much it actually took to paint it. Because I just added in all together for it, but it doesn't take that long. It's just that I am lazy, and also that I've been doing something in the background while I'm letting the paint cure. Speed paint takes about 2 hours. You could try using what you call it, a hair dryer, to cure it faster, but I have not made a cure box for the paints for that as well. Broken God 420. I wouldn't base it unless you're gonna keep it just for looks. But basing something that big is big in game would make it so hard to move, but it looks awesome. Oh, for the Hierophant. Yeah, I'm not gonna base it. I don't think I'm ever gonna use it. Um, I did base the War Mommy because it is very tall, and this is not compare this Hierophant to the War Mommy. War Mommy is very huge and it's hollowed out too. Same thing with the Hierophant is also hollowed out as well. So well, I might not do it. I might just sell it or give it away. Tell you the truth that I Probably gonna sell a lot of these 3D prints away pretty soon on eBay. I don't know when, but I'm pretty much going to have to because I do need some money right now. Let's see here. Srini T 2 weeks ago. It says Hierophant. A lot of Hierophant actually. Rad as fuck. Yep. It is cool. The Hierophant was one of those things, but I have to print a lot more Tyranid stuff for my army. Problem is I got into this game when I was a kid. I never played it until recently for ninth edition. When ninth edition is about to be closing in, and we'll be starting to play for 10th edition. Problem is that my friend has ADHD, and he'll be focused on one thing. He'll just do something else. So I have a lot of Warhammer, and I want to play 10th edition. And looks like I'm never going to ever be able to play it until his attention's back to Warhammer. Because I really don't have that many friends. I don't really play as much as I really want to. I do play a lot more Dungeons and Dragons though than anything else. Screamer Killer and Wing Tyrant Prime done. Sick. Thank you. Yeah, I think it is. A lot of my Tyranids are actually pretty good. I tried to make it as more pure than what it's supposed to look like. Then people are mixing colors on it. I think they're cool and stuff. It's just that I'm kind of one of those purist things. Like I want to have what they look exactly like in the box. Don't know why, but that's what it is. I really want. I almost made my Marines into all pink and rainbow color, but I don't. I live in the south, so I don't want to make made fun of. So I just made it Blood Angel, but I'm doing Dark Angel for my Space Marine as well. 70s up, mini dot looks good to me. Good luck on game day. Thanks. So far, I haven't used any of them. To tell you the truth, because the 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 prints right now looks hell of a lot better. Even the freaking pewter now is look hell of a lot better than back in the 70s and 80s. How they molded these pieces. The scale is off, so we have to like work on the scale and everything for that. We'll do a lot more of these. I do have a whole freaking 4 boxes of them from I got from my high school teacher and that I bought over the years. They were pretty expensive back in the days. Now they're like really really cheap because they have traces of lead in them now. The newer pewter pieces don't. And they're not as brittle as they were back then because the lead is very because also lead is very brittle as well. I don't know why this video is recommended, but it's cool and interesting. Thanks. Yeah, I'm just happy. I'm just happy this thing is slowly going as it is. I think this is it for now for it. But yeah, this is one of those things that I'm happy about and happy that it's actually growing. I would like to grow as fast as I want to, but other than that, it is one of those things. And this is my wife, the fatty Ashy.
They call me fatty so that everyone
No,
knows.
no, 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 no! My bat leg, my bat leg. I'm not gonna print you, Gail.
Please, please,
Uh,
please, Gail, Gail, Gail.
you haven't made Gail yet. Only made Carlac prints so far.
I need Gail.
I That's great. Save me. Okay, guys, that'll be it today. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out the links down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.